Two shots of this motherfucker. Now I need to get the other fucking four. God damn it. Look at this. God fucking damn it.
Eh bien, bonjour à tous, c'est Vincent76300 et on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo dans laquelle je vais vous apprendre à résoudre un Rubik Cube. Alors tout d'abord, pour résoudre votre Rubik Cube, vous allez devoir faire
Nice.
The fourth and the last step is to rotate the corner pieces so that they become the solved cube. And again I mark the corner I want to rotate with bubble gum. Like this. So I move back and forth. And as I want to undo the moves I just made, I move in the opposite direction. And I repeat the same thing. Now after a total of 8 moves, you can see what has happened. A snake-like pattern emerges in which the corners retain their position but they have rotated. Also 3 edge pieces have changed their places, but I would not worry about that, because I can be pretty sure that after repeating this same 8 moves 3 times, the whole cycle will end. These corner pieces will rotate to their original position, and also these 3 edge pieces will take their original position. All in all, you see that the end of the snake has rotated, and you can use this end of the snake to rotate all these corner pieces to the position you want. And all you have to do is just to move back and forth any way you want. In my example here, I use my favorite move back, forth, sometimes starting with left, sometimes starting with right. It just makes no difference at all. You just have to remember to do the back and forth. And I want, just for the last thing to say, I want to point out that only 2 edges from each side, here and here and here and here, only 2 edges from each side have been involved. You don't need to mess your cube more. So I move forth, back, forth, back. So you see that this piece has rotated to the position I want it to be. And now I move the second corner I want to rotate. And now I just repeat the moves, my favorite moves, to rotate the corner. Back, forth, back, forth. And the corner pieces has rotated, and the cube is complete.